Now the third component, which is known as ultraviolet rays, or in short way UV. It is harmful component and causes of skin cancer. It is also used to kill harmful germs and cleaning of water. There are so many purposes. हम लोग ऐसा भी जानते हैं, अभी कोरोना वायरस फैला हुआ है. कोरोना वायरस को मारने में हम लोग यूवी यूज कर सकते हैं, अल्ट्रावायलेट रेस को यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन इस रेस का जो यूज होता है वो काफी प्रिकॉशन के साथ किया जाता है. प्रिकॉशन ये हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स के संपर्क में नहीं आना चाहिए. अगर हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को जर्म्स फ्री करना चाहते हैं तो यूवी रेज हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. और डीआरडीओ और कई तरह का साइंटिफिक जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है वो इस तरह का इक्विपमेंट्स और डिवाइसेस बना रहा है ताकि उस डिवाइस के द्वारा हम हार्मफुल जर्म्स को रिमूव कर सकें. तो यूवी रेज हमारे लिए भी काफ़ी यूजफुल है. अब हम लोग चलते हैं, नेक्स्ट हमारा पार्ट है रे. व्हाट इज रे? Actually, a straight path of light. It is a straight path of light. It is a straight path of light through which light travels. This is the straight path of light. Is called ray. Ray, a bundle of rays, forms a beam. What is beam? A bundle of rays forms a beam. In previous class we have already studied about there are three kinds of beam. First, convergent beam. Second, divergent beam, and third, parallel beam. So there are three kinds of beam: convergent beam, divergent beam, and parallel beam. If there are so many rays coming from a single source and goes in different directions, these are called divergent beam. But when two or more rays coming from a single source, when two or more rays coming from different directions and meet at a point, that is called convergent beam. For example, this is the convergent beam because all the rays meeting at a point, this is convergent beam. Divergent beam means if two or more rays coming from a single point or single source and goes in different directions, that is called divergent beam. If all the rays travel in parallel way, this is called parallel beam. So there are three kinds of beam: convergent beam, divergent beam, and parallel beam. Now